welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Glam Rosa. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And today I have created this Valentine's soft halo eye, incorporating the pinks and the purples. I only use 3 shadows plus the highlight, so that's 4. But just for the eye look, it's 3 shadows, and it was super easy to create, and I really hope you guys enjoy and like it. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You know what? I'm gonna let you do it right now. I'm going to reapply some highlight while you like this video. There we go. Did you do it? Thank you. I really appreciate it. So now moving on, this is a look I have created, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Now let's get started. Alright, let's slay this face. The first thing I'm going to be doing is spraying my face with this Mario Badescu spray, which I am in love with. This is so good for the skin. I'm going to let that sink in. Now I'm going to go in with this Old Henriksen Truth Advanced Moisturizing Cream. This smells so amazing. It smells so refreshing. I'm going to apply it all over my skin because I've been super dry lately because the weather's been so cold. But I'm actually like super oily. But lately I've been so dry. And I look really red right now because I kind of did a little facial before my video. So that's why I'm red. For primer today, I'm going to be using these 2. I'm just going to mix them. I love both of these. I'm going to make a little concoction. For foundation today, I'm going to go with this Maybelline 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation. I am in love with this foundation. It's so good. It's full coverage. It stays on all day. Doesn't come off. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm in the shade like Medium Honey. Now to set my concealer, you already know, I'm going to be using Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. To set the rest of my face today, I'm going to be going in for the first time with this True Match Mineral Foundation. This is a foundation? So let's go back with my, you know, my True Love CoverGirl Clean and Matte Setting Powder. Now, moving on to the eyes, I'm going to go back to the face at the end. For today's look, I am going to be using the 39A Dare to Create Morphe palette. For my transition color, I'm going to go in with Passion, which is this shade right here. That's going to be my transition color. I'm going to go in very light because these shades are so pigmented. If you saw my Valentine's look on one of my recent videos, that pigment is real. So I'm gonna go slightly on my crease. Okay, now I'm going to switch to this brush. This is an Ulta brush. And it's more longer and skinny opposed to this one. This one's more fluffy. So I'm switching to this one because I'm going to go in back to that same color, but I'm going to focus it more and more, a little bit more lower right in my crease line, and I'm going to make it more deeper with that same shade. So I'm just going to focus the shade right here. And I'm going to pick up this brush right here. This is a Sigma E55 eye shading brush, and I'm going to go in with Forever. This dark plum color. And I'm going to put this all over my lid. So far we only used one shadow. This will be our second shadow. Now I'm going to pick up this other brush. It's a Sigma brush. This is a E40 brush. It's more thinner and fluffy at the same time, so I'm able to focus it where I want it to. So I'm going to go right where my crease, right where that plum and that wine color meets. And I'm going to go right in the middle, and I'm just going to go back up, windshield wiper motions, just back and forth, back and forth. Blending those two together. Now that we're done blending those two shadows together, you should have something like this. Now I'm going to go back to that same brush that I used to apply the purple to my lip, but I already cleaned it off, so it's clean. The E55 brush, and I'm going to go in with this coppery brown shade right here. It's so pretty. It looks like that. It's called Artistic. Now I'm going to apply this shadow to the center of my eye. So it's going to be like a halo eye, but it's going to have a softer look to it because I'm not cutting it and then applying the shadow. I'm just going to apply it right on top of the purple. So it's going to give it that softer look, but it's going to bring so much attention to your eye. So I'm just going to apply it right in the middle. And once it looks like that, I'm just gonna slightly blend the edges, just like that. If you have brown eyes like me, I have like super dark brown eyes, the purples and the reddish pinkish colors that we have going on just bring out the color of our eyes. So if you have brown eyes, you definitely have to try this look out. It's gonna look so pretty on you. So now I'm basically going to do the same thing that I did on top to the bottom. So I'm just gonna speed through it. Now for highlight, I'm going to go in with Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Gold with a little brush to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. For lashes, today I'm going to be using the Allure by Nicole Faux Flawless Lashes. They look like this. There we go, you guys. Now we have our lashes on and our eyebrows. I used the same thing I used in my last two videos, so I decided not to put it in the video. But I used the NYX gel for the brows. And now I'm moving back to the face. I'm going to be using this Milani bronzer. Picking up the darker shade, I'm going to carve out my cheek with this LA color brush. Now for my nose, I'm going to pick up this brush right here. I'm kind of in the hunt for a good nose brush to contour my nose. I don't really have one that I like for my nose. What do you guys use? Now to bronze. For the nose and my cheeks. I'm not going to put a lot on my cheeks. Just a little bit. For lips, I'm just going to go in with this Vivid Hot Lacquer Maybelline gloss. This is a number 64 Unreal. Such a beautiful nude brown. There we go, you guys. The finished look. I really hope you guys liked it and enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And I will see you guys in the comment section down below and on my next tutorial too. Bye!